Hello. Do you want to know how to use the rest of your year to make it the best of your years? In this Chinese horoscope forecast video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the rooster and reveal what the rest of the year has to offer for them, which months are easy and are unlocking opportunities, and in which months this zodiac sign has to be a bit more mindful. Because when you know what's coming, it's so much easier to act accordingly, right? So do you know how to use your BaZi, your Chinese horoscope, to make the best for your relationships, personal development, business development in the second half of the Water Rabbit year? Let's see what's in it for you. So let me show you where to find out how to use the power of your personal BaZi to optimize and achieve your goals. And if you stay until the end, I will give you some special dates for the rooster in the second half of the Water Rabbit year, when to take action for luck and success in 2023. So hi, I'm Sandra. I have been teaching and consulting Feng Shui, BaZi, meditation and manifestation for the last over 2 decades, first in Germany and now in Australia and New Zealand. So in this forecast video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the rooster. Hope you lots of roosters out there, and what the rest of the year has to offer for them, which months are easy and which could be a bit more complicated for this animal sign. And for this, we have to have a look into the 4 pillars of destiny at the end of this video and what they can mean in relation to your personal development, business development, your relationships in general, and so much more. So do you know your personal BaZi, your Chinese horoscope? So you may know the animal of the year you were born in, but did you know that you have minimum 3 more animals who are just as important? It's the animals you're born in the month, day, and hour. So depending on where the animal we're talking about sits in your BaZi, it can have a totally different meaning for you. And so would you like to know more about them? Let me know in the comments if you do. So what is the rooster like in general? Well, if you want to put it into one word, it would be pioneering. People born in rooster years, months, days are quite brash, passionate, honest, and outspoken. Sometimes a little bit too much, but that's in the eye of the beholder. They have a tendency to be too blunt for their own good, and this, coupled with disdain for those who don't share their own high ideals, make them appear abrasive and aggressive, even rude. To others, rooster people are pioneers in spirit and are devoted to work and their quest after knowledge. They are diligent and efficient, typical succeeding in anything they set their mind on doing. Roosters are also very concerned about their appearance and enjoy grooming and really looking out for how they enjoy life and how they can appear to others. And that can, of course, also lead in the extreme form. So if it's not balanced, that they become selfish or eccentric. So what's in it in this year for the rooster? You see, well, the year governor is the Waterwood Rabbit. Theme this year is about inner development. It's upskilling, intuition, new beginnings, well-being, harmony and healing. But also you need to sometimes make compromises to get there. So the importance is this year to concentrate on what is important. What does it mean for the rooster? Well, the rooster is the year breaker. It clashes with the rabbit. So it is rooted only in metal. So we're having a strong metal in the rooster, and we're having water and wood in the rabbit. So looking back at 2022, the year governor of 2022, the tiger, made pretty clear what their goal was. This year's governor, the rabbit, is not so clear. Just think about it. Is the rabbit known for going straight lines? Not really, right? So the rooster very often questions and is insecure about which direction to go this year. And they may lose orientation at times. This is why it's so important, especially for you, dear roosters, to keep clear sight of your own intention. Job and financial matters are very important to you, dear rooster, but the rabbit has its emphasis on other matters. The emphasis is on family, harmony, for instance. So you would do good if you stay with your own gut and not listen too much to other people's opinions. One of your weaknesses, sorry. So your success depends a lot on how content you are with the solution you can provide, even if it's not perfect yet. So this year you should go into projects with a bit more ease and less ambition. It would really do you good. So what are special months for the rooster? We're having a 3 combination with snake, which is May, and ox with a January, a combination with the dragon, who was happening in April, and a clash with the rabbit, who governs the March. So there probably happened a lot for the rooster in the first half of the year. So let's see how you're doing in the second half. How about that? So the July is a goat month. So don't be too direct this month. The ruling yin energy won't take it well. You are in opposition of the year governor. You are the year breaker. So you have to be generally a bit more careful this year. Be sensible. That won't make you a doormat. That's one of your fears, probably. It won't. You can stand by your values, just maybe not that loud this year. Okay? August. Monkey, the waiting is over. The monkey is known for not sitting still. So there is also movement coming back to your life. Woohoo! But don't start too much at once. You want to do it as close to perfect as you can, right? So then don't overdo it. The metal element is very strong in this one, so you will be able to build the structures to help you excel. But be aware that those structures also make you inflexible when life gets in the way. Be sure you still can react to what is. Make sure you refill your batteries. Don't put all eggs into one basket, especially not this month. September, rooster month. The year breaker, you. So don't make your life harder than it has to be. Not everything is negative, dear rooster. Focus on the positive, on what works, and you will see there is a lot to show up for. The strong yin metal helps you with your stamina and discipline. Do you want to improve your health or have a goal in sports? This is a good time to start. Enjoy the ride. Happiness is effortless. October, the dog month. There is a combine with the rabbit, the year governor. So the pragmatic dog brings a focus on well-being. The dog's earth element provides a feeling of security and stability. So lean into that support. Just take it, even when you think you don't need it. Just enjoy it. November, pig month. So the pig together with the rat make a combination which wants to stand with your emotions. So let people know how you feel. Let them see the real you. Maybe just a small circle to get started. But building a good and strong network will be important for you, especially going into the next year. You will benefit in the long run from the trust that you build now. With the reigning water element, maybe you want to travel or at least stay in the flow. December, the red month. Take care of your health. Listen to your body. Only when you listen, you will be able to restore balance before it takes effects. Do you need a break? This might be a good time. Bringing ideas to life will be so much easier in the new year anyway, together with the new year governor, the wood dragon. January, ox month. So we're having a 3 combine, especially on your snake days, where we're getting to that later. So the ox loves routine. So maybe another month to come to your breath before the charismatic wood dragon finally takes over, and then it is action time. Ask yourself what you have learned in the last year. Did you acquire new skills, new insights? Make sure you use them and take them into the new year. Oh, and don't let yourself weighed down by problems you can't solve now anyway, at least not yet. And a little sight towards the future, 2024, the dragon year. It's a 2 combined year for you. So you better get ready for that ride to come. But the thing is, do you have to wait for that month to activate the good combinations? Well, the effect may be stronger if it is contained in the year or the month, yes. But we also have the day animal and even down to the hour if you want to go down that road. So let's have a look at some special dates for the rooster to go even deeper. July is a goat month, so you could use your own days. They are full days. It's the 14th and the 26th. And on the 26th, we're having really good hours from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you might want to use that day. Just be careful between 1 and 3, but I mean, you need to have a break anyway, don't you? Or maybe the dragon days. There are receive days, and that's on the 21st. There's also from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. really good hours. Use that day. And again, just between 1 and 3 p.m. be a bit more careful. Maybe have a break there or something like that. But use the whole day. It's going to be an amazing day. So we're also looking at the pig days, 16th and 28th. They are stable days because we're having this month a 3 combination with the rabbit and the pig. And those stable days are really good days for planning with long-term effects. No quick fixes. So the 16th is excellent with the I Ching of advancement. Brilliant hours from 11 to 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Very good meditation energy from 7 to 9 p.m. And the 28th also excellent with the I Ching of delight and good hours from 11 to 1 p.m. August, you could use your own days, the remove days or the dragon days, success days. September, the rooster month, maybe your own days or the dragon days. Now the dragon days are not really helpful. Now the dog month, your own days, or dragon days, also not helpful. I'm really sorry. But then in November, it's a pig month. So again, we're coming to the combination with the rabbit and looking for the goat days for the 3 combined. So they are again success days. The 9th, the 21st, and the 3rd of December. So that would be really 3 good days for you to use in November. December is the red month. So your own days maybe. The 17th and the 29th. Or the dragon days. They are stable days, the 12th and the 24th. On the January ox month, we're having a 3 combine. So we're looking for the snake days. Snake days are stable days. So the 6th and the 18th. The 18th has really good hours from 11 to 3 p.m. And the 30th is a really good day from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So January the 30th, really note that into your books. Stable days, good things to come, and use that. So where do you have the rooster in your personal BaZi? Which pillar? Just to remind you, the year pillar stands for the social aspects of your life and how you behave amongst friends, acquaintances, and your luck with them in general. The month pillar is representing your career, the industries where you might first find the most opportunities, the ability to provide value, and how you would do your job best. The day pillar is about who you are on a fundamental level. Your inner nature and what makes you unique, as well as representing your love life. The hour pillar is representing your thoughts, ambitions, your goals in life, and aspects of children, investment, and employees. So, depending on where the rooster sits in your BaZi, you see we're not all the same. This is the area to take action now. Do we have a clash? Do we have a combination? Do we have a relation to job, career, relationship, business, investment? So depending on where it sits and what's happening in that month, you choose your emphasis. Clash, change, combination, yay, go for it. And you also don't know where the best days and months are to take action. So looking out for those combinations to find luck and success in 2023. And if you find a not so good month for one of your pillars, you've got 3 other pillars to look at. So there will be one of them who has a good month in the month that we're having right now. So use that. And also stop catastrophizing. So if there's a clash month in your, let's say, job, and you feel it coming up and you're really afraid of that change, look at one of the other pillars who can then nourish and feed you. You've got 4 pillars to choose from. Put your emphasis on the good ones. Put your emphasis on where you will have success and not how to avoid the catastrophe. Putting energy to heal something negative is just so self-destroying. You really don't want that. Put your energy into where you can succeed and where it's flowing. Go with the flow. This is how you find success. This is how actually, let me rephrase that, you create success. With the BaZi, you can actually create your success. Not just finding it. Oh yeah, there's a good pillar. Oh yeah, there's a good month. Let's wait and see. No, you have to take action. You create the luck and success. This is what you do. So talking about that, now that you know all that, what is the one thing you can do right now? The one thing to take action. The first thing that comes into mind, put it down on paper. Write it down. Which area do you want to succeed? And now, what is the month now? Look at which area is going to be fortunate now. Or you plan it for the time being, for the dates that I gave you, a lounge, I don't know, proposal, whatever is a change of jobs. You're preparing the path towards that date that is lucky and successful. And you can do now just one baby step, just one small thing, researching something, changing something, decluttering your home. That's always good to get your mind, to free also your mind. And so those baby steps will guide you on the path. Okay? I don't want you to start with a massive one and get overwhelmed and then stop it all the way. This is not how we do it. You create your change. And as I said, you also know that you have 4 pillars, 4 animals. So look into the dates and stay tuned for more insight and forecasts about the other animals of the Chinese zodiac here on this channel. And what to emphasize in the last months of this water rabbit year to optimize and achieve your goals. Because next year is going to be a wood dragon year, and this is going to be different. This year is preparing. This year is preparing the path and getting the skills, upskilling, getting into that inner journey and preparing it. Because next year, the wood dragon is going to be all about action. Mark my words. And if you want to know what's best in this month, well, have a look at my monthly The Power of BaZi monthly forecast series, also here on this channel. So, and you could also subscribe to the channel, of course, but you probably already did. Thank you for that. So have a fabulous time. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. What is the action you're going to take now? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about the action you're taking now. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.